Hello again, everyone. Sorry for the lack of videos, but with the current situation, a lot of my orders that I place in AliExpress either got cancelled or customs haven't really released my items yet. So yeah, sorry for that. I promise that I will try my best to bring you guys more videos. So yeah, aside from all of that, today we're going to take a look at the QKZ DM7. So let's check them out. So before we get started, as you can see, I'm back at my hometown, or my bedroom and all of that. Because, well, I'm self-isolating and all of that. As always, if you like my videos and all of that, please consider subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, giving me feedback and all of that. And well, today we're not going to do an unboxing because, it's super simple. It really doesn't have that much. So we are going to do the unboxing right now. And here they are. Ignore my little silica gel pack. These are the QKZ DM7. My camera doesn't want to focus. There you go. As you can see, these are more earbuds than IEMs. These are super heavy. Yeah, I think these are aluminum. I think. Well, and that is pretty much what you get, the earbuds and the spare ear tips, which I don't recommend using with this. But now let's talk about the important thing, which is audio quality. So first, let's talk about the highs, which are really nothing to write home about. They are decent for the price, but they aren't the greatest that I've heard. They feel thin, let's say. They feel somewhat picky. Well, highs aren't really good, these earbuds, but they are okay, what you would come to expect from a $5 earbuds. They are okay, but not the greatest. So now, with the mids, it's kind of the same story as with the highs. They aren't really anything crazy, they are good for the price. There is some micro detail there in some songs, but overall they feel recessed, but they are well bodied. Again, there is not really much to say because I would say that these are basic, but there is a surprise which I'm going to talk about. And now for the main attraction of these buds, the bass. Wow, I think the bass is very elevated on this, and you can feel it and hear it. There is a nice accentuation on the sub bass. There is a little bit of rumble. And also the bass is fairly detailed. The drums and all of those instruments feel really nice, very well bodied. But because of the basic nature of these earbuds, you are sacrificing some detail to get some rumble and all of that. So yeah, for bass heads, these are a must have, really. I really recommend this if you're a bass head. So now, let's talk about build quality, which is, nice. It's really nice actually. As you could hear in the beginning, these are like metal. It's really nice. Let me get the ear tips. So this is what the ear tips look like. These are the prettiest ear tips that I've seen. They have this really nice almost neon blue accent and this weird spiral, which actually looks pretty nice. But well, we'll talk about that later. But yeah, these are the ear tips that you will be getting in small, medium, and large. These are super cool looking. Now let's talk about the cable, which is actually super nice. Please focus. Yeah, as you can see, is not like a braided cable or anything like that, but the silicone that it has, the plastic that it has, is super good. You have here your mic, which is decent. It's nothing crazy. And over here in the fork, I think this is plastic again. You have a little bit of protection here, and here you don't have any protection at all. And we come to the thicker part of the cable. You can see that it looks almost like a snake skin or something like that. It really looks super cool and it feels super nice. It is a super soft cable. It might not look like that, but it is actually super soft. Oh, just focus. as you can see. And we have here this weird I don't know, angle plug, but it's in a weird angle. I mean, I think that it's somewhat like a hybrid between an L plug and a straight plug. It's really good, but you know, it's weird looking. And here we can see the gold pin connector. And the box, the little case is, you know, basic. It's plastic. It feels a little bit cheap, but you know, for carrying these buds, it's actually pretty nice. So now let's talk about what I didn't like about the DM7s. It's the fact that they have a really weird shape, as you can see. And when you pair that with the ear tips that they include, you can see that it's a very, let's say, short fit. This really doesn't go that deep in your ear, which for some people can be nice. Personally, for me, it's not that really good because I can't get a seal even with the large ear tips. So what I had to do, as you could see in the beginning, I had to use the trusty BK4 ear tips so I could get a very good fit. And when you get a good fit, you can really notice the difference in the sound. Again, that is one of the negative things. Also, the bass, because it's very elevated, I think that is a... No, I don't know. I couldn't find any graph of the sound of this, but unfortunately the bass drowns the other frequencies. These aren't super detailed. Instrument separation and soundstage isn't really good. So for bass heads, these are super good, but if you are a bass head that cares for details and all of that, these really lack those. I mean, it's not like super bad, but yeah, this doesn't have that much detail. The soundstage feels really tight, and the instrument separation is, I would say, normal for a $5 earbud. But you know, from QKZ, I was expecting something more. As you can see, I have like a little letter here. I don't know what it means. I don't know if you should use it like this or like this. I normally use it like this because it doesn't have any memory. But I mean, you can use it like that if you want. So yeah, guys, my final verdict will be that these are, let's say, decent for the price. These aren't anything super crazy, you know. These aren't really... I wouldn't recommend this 100%, but if you are into a very powerful bass, I mean, these are for you. But you are taking into account that you are sacrificing some details, some soundstage, some instrument separation for that super bass. It's a really nice bass, but yeah. This would be a shorter video than I used to do because, again, these are super basic. There isn't really anything crazy aside from the super good build quality. So yeah, guys, as always, I will have links in the description, so you see if you're interested in buying this, there will be a link to the official QKZ store at AliExpress. I also will try to find an Amazon link if you are more into Amazon and all of that. So yeah, guys, again, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, feedback and all of that, and I will see you in my next review. Bye. Oh, take care with this, you know, coronavirus thing. Bye.